Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades, and today I'm going to be working on this 12 by 12 canvas. I've already put down my base, which I am using Artist Loft Floetrol Black, and I want to do a tree ring pour, so I'm going to use Artist Loft Floetrol Red, and got a little something here in my paint. Liquitex Brilliant Purple, some Artist Loft Floetrol White, and some Artist Loft Floetrol Cobalt Blue. So all of my paints have Floetrol and a little bit of water for consistency. I have not put any silicone in any of my paints. I'm trying to get away from doing that because it kind of leaves such a film on your painting, it's hard to get clean. So I'm just going to layer all this into my cup, and I decided to use a little bit of the Payne's gray to break up some of the color a little bit too. I did not want to use black since I have so much on my canvas. And I'm just going to start over here in the upper left hand corner and just start pouring. And I really like the way the paint comes out of the cup like this. I mean, the design is just gorgeous, especially against that black. However, you cannot leave this much paint on your surface because the top layer will dry quicker than underneath, and then you will end up with cracked painting as the layer underneath dries. And as much as I love the design as it comes out of the cup, I do not care for cracked painting unless I'm going for that look. So, and I'm going slow. You can go fast if you so choose to, but I just can control the design a little bit better by going slower. And what I'm going to do when I get around here in the center, I'm just going to do a regular tree ring pour to end this right here. And it's okay, I'm at the end of my paint anyway. So I'm going to pour it right here in a little puddle, tree ring puddle, and then stretch it out. I decided not to use a whole lot of heat on this because I really don't care about any colors underneath coming up. I like what I have. I will run the heat gun over it just in case there's a bubble or two, but for the most part I'm not trying to bring anything up. So just give it a quick torch and then just tilt it a little bit to run excess paint off and to stretch the design. Once you reach the edge of your canvas, you can pull back and recenter it, and then go in another direction. I really like how this is turning out. I love these colors together. So what I'm doing right here is when you're tilting paint off of your canvas, it doesn't just run over the edge and drip off. It does kind of flow underneath the edge of the underside of the canvas. And if you do not clean that off, it continues to pull the paint off the top of the surface and stretch your design even more. So if you wipe that off, it kind of slows the pull and the flow of the paint across the surface. This will also help to keep the design that you have when you get it where you like it. Sorry for that ring light. This is something new I was trying to use, and I didn't realize it was giving such a glare. So I like it right here. I think this is pretty. So I'm just going to make sure that my props that my canvas is sitting on is where I need them so that it will stay level. And then I want to clean off the edges all the way around, because I really don't want to lose this design right here. I like it. I did lose some of that brilliant purple, or the majority of that brilliant purple, but the blue and the red have mingled and mixed some, so I still have the presence of purple on the canvas. It's just a little bit deeper color or shade of purple than I had planned on, but I still like it. So I've let this set for about 30 minutes and it's not really changed a whole lot. It's staying right where I want it. So I'll take you in for a close-up, and we'll start right down here in the lower right hand corner. And I just really love this webbing of the red and the white and the blue. I think that is really cool. It's kind of cells in there, but still has a web pattern. And then this right here, I just really like this. This is where the red and the blue have mingled and made a deeper purple. And I love those little feathery looks. So this is the upper left hand corner. Going to the lower left hand corner, and this is where I did the tree ring pour, and then when I tilted it, it went off the edge and stretched, and I just love these lines. It's so cool. You can see some of the purple in there and some of that webbing in there. It's really, really cool. That is neat. It amazes me every time I do a pour, the design that emerges from it. There's very, very, very few times that I don't like a pour. So, and this is no exception. I love this one. Here's the dried version. And I'm going to take you in for a close-up of each area of the canvas. So, if you have not subscribed to my channel, if you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell next to it, you'll receive notifications of future videos as I upload them. Click like and share. And if you have any comments, leave them below. I love to hear your feedback. And I want to thank you for taking time to watch this how-to video. And I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.